Now, as I stated in some of my previous videos, projectors are becoming more and more affordable, and with that the question arises, should you use a projector for your main gaming or entertainment setup? And in this video we'll try to find out with an unboxing, review and test of the Rayfoto 9500 Full HD LED projector. This particular model is priced at $300 and has quite a lot of features, including 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity and 4K upscaling. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. The Rayfoto 9500 arrives in this simple box, and inside we find the projector and all the cables and accessories neatly packed in this nice little backpack. The projector itself has a small overall size and weighs only 1.6 kilograms, so it's definitely portable, and in the backpack you can take it everywhere with you, which is really nice. Inside the backpack we find a rather simple but functional remote control, an AV cable and HDMI cable. Of course, we get a power cord as well. A nice little touch is that we also get a cleaning swabs for cleaning the projector lens, microfiber cleaning cloth and a screwdriver. Before using the projector, I advise you to take a quick look at the user manual, as it has tons of useful information about using and taking care of the projector. And there we have the Rayfoto 9500 projector in all its glory. Now I quite like the overall design and look of the projector. The front is made from plastic that has a brushed aluminum finish and it looks quite nice. At the front we pretty much have the infrared sensor, the brand logo at the middle and the lens. Continuing on the left we have a cooling vent. I'd opened it and there's a dust-proof net, which is also a nice little touch. At the back we have the built-in speaker, another infrared sensor and the power-in port. And on the right we get all the ports, 2 HDMI, 2 USB ports, AV port and a headphones jack. And on the top side there's the focus and keystone adjustment and the touch-sensitive menu navigation buttons. So guys, I've hooked up the projector and let's check out the image quality and some of its main features. There we have the main menu. On the left side we got the source options. We can also cast from our iOS or Android mobile device. We'll check that feature in just a minute. We have quick taps for movies, music, photos and documents. There's the settings menu. Here we have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and the projection settings. I've connected the projector to my PS5 and I noticed there's a special button on the remote where we can adjust the picture settings like brightness, contrast and saturation. We can also adjust our sound profiles. And guys, let's finally get to the actual image quality test. Here I'm running GTA 5 on the PS5 and as you can see the image quality of the Rayfoto 9500 is pretty good. I've tested much more expensive projectors and comparing the image quality, this projector actually looks incredible considering its price. The maximum resolution of the 9500 is full 1080p, but it's capable of 4K upscale. Right now the projector is around 2.5 meters from the wall, which effectively gives us a screen size of around 85 inches. According to the user manual, the recommended projection distance is between 2.5 and 3 meters, which gives you the best possible image clarity and contrast. If for example you place the projector 5 meters away from the projection screen or wall, you'll get 200 inches of screen size, of course at the cost of lower sharpness and contrast. As the name suggests, the Rayfoto 9500 has a peak brightness of 9500 lumens, which is more than enough, and as you can see we get a rather nice picture quality. The image is bright and sharp, we have plenty of contrast thanks to the LED bulb that uses LCD technology. I know those specs are pretty important when choosing a projector, but to most of us those are just some dry figures, so instead let's see how the projector looks in a real-world environment with some video games.
Oh, Derek, big moment here, and a goal! The opener in the semi-final! is again, and credit to the goal scorer, but you have to ask questions of the keeper. He's got to have that near post cover for me. No wonder.
As I mentioned, another really cool feature is the screen mirror. All we have to do is connect the projector and our phone to the same Wi-Fi network. An internet connection of 100 megabits or more is recommended when using the screencast feature. Overall, even for gaming, where we have to have clear image and low delay, the Rayfoto 9500 performs pretty well. And the best part is, for around $300, you can experience the luxury of gaming on 80, 100 or even 150-inch screen.
Targets in sight.
Predator missile awaiting orders. Friendly Predator missile inbound.
For day-to-day normal web browsing and content streaming, the Rayfoto 9500 is an excellent choice as well. Overall, the projector is pretty versatile and it offers a wide range of connectivity options, features and a decent image quality. Add the small form factor and the portability and we end up with a nice and capable little projector. If you like the product, you can find links to the Rayfoto store in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.